give you a lift. He's a working man.
He's just standing there.
How about your money for our forgotten corner of New South Wales, Mr Prime Minister? How come we only had 4 trucks to defend our town? Because our town doesn't have a lot of money, but we have hearts of gold, Mr Prime Minister.
Nah, you're an idiot, mate. You really are.
You won't be getting any votes down here, buddy.
You're an idiot.
Who votes Liberal around here? Nobody. No Liberal votes. You're out, son. You are out. Good night, see you, mate. Bye. Go.
What about the people who now, Mr Prime Minister? What about the people who have nowhere to live?
You're not welcome, you.
Every single time this area has a flood or a fire, we get nothing. If we were Sydney, if we were North Coast, we would be flooded with donations, with emergency relief. 4 trucks to
Well, I'm not surprised people are feeling very raw at the moment, and that's why I came today, to be here, to see it for myself, to offer what comfort I could, but you can't always in every circumstance. I think everyone understands that. I appreciate the welcome we received, Jenny and I, but at the same time I understand the very strong feelings people have. They've lost everything, and there is still some very dangerous days ahead, and we understand that, and that's why we're going to do everything we can to ensure they have every support they will need. You'd be tired.
Oh, I don't really want to.
Oh, well, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you tonight.
Okay,